Breaking news, my wonderful people, it's happening. 2023, trouble for Tinubu as APC former delegates ask court to stop him from replacing Masari as running mate. You know what Tinubu had initially placing Masari was a placeholder, okay? And then Tinubu have up till July July the 15th to replace him, or he will be his running mate inevitably. He cannot change it. So he still has a few days to go to be able to make that mark. However, APC members are seriously against him, saying it is not possible. We're not going to allow that. Why would you want to change him? So APC guys they've gone now, they're taking the matter to court, insisting that Tinubu cannot replace him. They said Tinubu cannot replace him. You have pinned him down, you have pinned him down. There ain't no replacement. You're going to have to stick with it. So this is what is happening. This is what is going on right now. It is becoming a real bone of contention. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Thank you. 2023, trouble for Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu as former APC delegates ask court to stop Tinubu from replacing Masari as running mate. The ruling APC has its presidential candidate, Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu, who has been dragged to court by two of the party former delegates, Zachary Masari and Zambata Mohammed, the ex-APC delegates, went to court to stop Tinubu's plans to replace Kabiru Masari as his running mate. APC presidential candidate has picked Masari to serve as a placeholder pending the selection of a substitute running mate. The two chieftains from the All Progressive Congress APC have reportedly asked a federal high court in Abuja to stop the plans to replace Kabiru Masari as the running mate to the party in 2023 presidential election to stay with Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu. Recall that Tinubu has picked Masari as his interim vice presidential flag bearer of APC pending the announcement of a substitute candidate as provided by the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC). However, the two chieftains who served as delegates at the APC National Convention, Zachary and Magari Mohammed, went to the court to hold that the withdrawal of Masari will amount to the inevitably joint ticket to voiding of the joint ticket of the party of Tinubu and Masari. They are contending whether the combined effort of Section 142, subsection 1, Section 29, subsection 1, 31 and 33 of the Electoral Act, it is legally permitted for Masari to withdraw as a vice presidential candidate of APC and a running mate to Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu, as long as it be suited to replace with another person from APC. However, this guy says no, it will never happen. So Tinubu has penciled these people down. Meanwhile, INEC deadline for political parties to submit the final names for the presidential candidate and running mates draws near. The flag bearer for the ruling party, Tinubu, has reportedly penciled down two names. One of the two is Kashim Shettima, a former governor of Borno State, and the other is the incumbent governor, Babagana Zulum. Sources within the party also confirm that the governor of Kaduna, El-Rufai, has earlier been on the list following his active role in the emergence of Tinubu as APC presidential candidate, but was later dropped by the party stakeholders on the matter. So Tinubu is in a state of dilemma, if you ask me, and now he's been taken to court. And the matter is that he must not replace the person who is currently there because they feel that it's not fair. And so this guy says the court should tell Tinubu that if he removes Masari, who he picked with the intention of a placeholder, the APC will totally miss it out and will not participate in the very said elections. So I mean, it's just like what is happening to the Senate president. Yes, Senate president, I mean, it's a bit different. Senate president picked a placeholder, asked him to go and buy the form, participate in the election, and what have you. At the end of the day, he was really surprised that the guy said, I'm not going anywhere. For crying out loud, you have been a senator for the past how many years? 22 years. Let somebody else be a senator representing our our state. Okay, representing Yobe North, but the guy has refused. So these are the problems being stirred up right now. And now the person he has picked from Tinubu's hometown as placeholder is saying, I'm not dropping it. I want to be vice president. Waiting. And my head, they reject good thing. It's not they reject good thing. Now, in fact, now good thing, my head, they attract. To become vice president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and Abins, lie, I'm not dropping it. So that's where the bone of contention seriously is right now as we speak. There's a lot going on, and at the end of the day, you'll be shocked and surprised at the turnout of event. Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu is still in France. Some said he's there tending for his health. Others says he's there making consultations. But I cannot tell you what he's there for because I am not totally sure. But there are speculations, bordering on whether he's there for health reasons or he's there tending, to his health or whatever. So there are different, occasions on all of this, and people have different opinions as regards to why he's there. So this is what is happening, and this is why every one of us must continue, to tell the truth and ensure that at the end of the day, we are happier, better people. The situations and all that is going on shows to us all that if there's no change, things may not turn out the way we've envisaged, and it is time that Nigerians begin to look out for true change for this nation, for this country, and it starts with us picking the right candidates, because that candidate will elect in people into office, and appoint people as ministers and the rest, and that will become, they will decide how things are run. And we don't want those, okay, we don't want those who have no heart or mind for the nation, because we've had a lot of politicians who have failed us in no small way. So there is a lot of things going on right now. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe, click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless. Have a fantastic day. From us, it's bye for now.